Hey guys, more cowbell here again for a Ganzo multi-tool review. This is kind of the baby brother to the G202. This is the G101S. It was $5.76 on Gearbest. I saw this and I was like, what the heck? Little guy. Nail file, Phillips, flat driver, small blade, bottle opener, screwdrivers, little reaming tool or something there, and a little serrated blade. So, and then looks like a decent pair of little pliers there with a wire cutter on them and everything. So haven't done anything with these yet, but $5.76, free shipping. Got some traction on the outside there. Seems like a decent made little tool for pretty inexpensive. I don't know if it said what kind of steel on Ganzo's website those were, but anyway, there you go. Thanks guys.